Walmart Marketplace is an online platform that allows third-party sellers to offer their products to millions of customers on Walmart's e-commerce site. As a seller, understanding the payment criteria and methods is crucial to manage your finances effectively. This step-by-step guide will provide a comprehensive overview of payment-related aspects for Walmart Marketplace in 2024. To become a seller on Walmart Marketplace, you need to register and get approved. The process involves providing necessary information about your business, including contact details, tax ID, and banking information. Once approved, you can start listing your products on the platform. Walmart Marketplace follows specific payment criteria to ensure a smooth transaction process for both buyers and sellers. Some of the essential criteria include payment terms, order acceptance, order cancellation. Walmart Marketplace offers various payment methods for sellers to receive their earnings. Some of the most common payment methods include direct deposit, Walmart Marketplace debit card, check. To manage your payments effectively, follow these best practices. Keep your banking information updated. Monitor your Walmart Marketplace account regularly. Stay informed about any changes in payment criteria or methods by referring to Walmart Marketplace's official resources and guidelines. Understanding the payment criteria and methods for Walmart Marketplace is crucial for sellers to maintain a successful online business. By following this ultimate guide, beginners can navigate through the payment-related aspects of the platform and ensure a smooth financial experience.